morning and welcome to our assembly. Our assembly this week is one day early. We're having our assembly on Thursday because on Friday, tomorrow, we have a holiday and everybody will be at home enjoying themselves. This week, I'd like to think a little bit about our most important rules in school. All of our classrooms and all of our corridors have the same poster with 3 words on. Can you remember what those 3 words are? Remember? Did you remember our special 3 words? Ready, respectful, safe. We use those words because if all of us are ready for learning, if all of us are behaving in a respectful way, and if all of us are safe, we can have a happy school. I was thinking about this during the week, and I was thinking, what does ready for learning look like when we're learning at home? I wonder if any of you have got maybe a routine that you do each day. Do you get up, take a shower, clean your teeth? Do you have some breakfast or a glass of milk before you sit down at your class? Do you have a quiet place in your house where you can sit and concentrate and focus on your learning? This next one will sound silly. Do you remember to get dressed before you go to class? I hope nobody's turning up to class in their pyjamas, though I have heard they might be. It's important, even when we're working at home, that we remember our 3 rules: ready, respectful, safe, and that when we're turning up to learning, we're ready to learn. We've got the things that we need in front of us, we have a quiet space, we're prepared for learning, ready for learning. We're going to take a look now at some certificates, the Star of the Week certificates. And this week our Star of the Week certificates definitely are going to people who have been ready for learning and who have been learning really well. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and look forward to seeing you all again next week. Goodbye.